Howdy, I'm Greg with ePoolSupply. Today we're in the warehouse and we're going to look at a Pentair item we have out here. This is the Pentair 300 watt transformer. So this takes 120 volts and it drops it down to 12 volts so you can use it for microbrights, glow brights, any of those lights that require a low voltage setting. So it comes with a box inside of a box. So this is what you see on the outside here, part number 619963. And this is for the 300 watt. They also make a 100 watt, but today we're talking about the 300 watt. So you got the box inside of a box. Open this up here. You got all your safety and instructions and everything. And then you have the transformer here. And it is very safely packaged because this thing is not light. It's very heavy. There's a lot of wires in there. But there it is. You got your serial number, your part number. And basically it has all the wiring instructions. You hook it up. It drops the voltage from high down to low so you can safely use a low voltage light. It's good to have low voltage going into swimming pools, so those low voltage lights are great options. And that's about it for the Pentair light. So I'm Greg with ePoolSupply. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video.
Hey guys, thanks for checking out ePoolSupply's YouTube channel. Hit that like and subscribe button down below, and we got new content coming out every single week. Come visit us in store or online at ePoolSupply.com. Thank you.